Hey there, welcome to Maximize Mom. Today, we're diving into the world of dog lovers. These amazing individuals share a deep connection with their four-legged friends, and we're going to explore 7 fascinating facts about them. So let's jump right in. Fact number 1. Dog lovers are incredibly compassionate. They have an immense capacity to care for and understand the needs of their canine companions. From providing comfort during tough times to celebrating the joyful moments, dog lovers show an unwavering devotion to their furry friends. Fact number 2. Dog lovers have an endless curiosity for learning about dogs. They immerse themselves in understanding different breeds, their behavior, and training techniques. This thirst for knowledge helps them create a nurturing and stimulating environment for their beloved pets. Fact number 3. Dog lovers are true social magnets. Walking their dogs in the park or attending dog-friendly events provides them with wonderful opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals. Dogs serve as a common ground, sparking conversations and fostering new friendships. Fact number 4. Dog lovers have a remarkable ability to stay present. Dogs live in the moment, and their owners often embrace this mindset too. They find joy in the simplest of things. Whether it's watching their pup play with a new toy or enjoying a peaceful walk together in nature. Fact number 5. Dog lovers are master communicators. They have developed a unique language with their furry companions, understanding their barks, tail wags, and even subtle body language. This deep connection allows for effective communication and a strong bond between dog lovers and their pets. Fact number 6. Dog lovers are natural caregivers. They go above and beyond to ensure the well-being and happiness of their dogs. From nutritious meals and regular vet checkups to providing a safe and loving home, dog lovers prioritize their pets' needs and overall quality of life. Fact number 7. Dog lovers embrace adventure. Whether it's exploring new hiking trails, participating in dog sports, or embarking on road trips with their furry companions, dog lovers seek out exciting experiences that allow them to share memorable moments with their dogs. And there you have it, 7 incredible facts about dog lovers. Their compassion, curiosity, and ability to stay present make them truly remarkable individuals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more captivating content. Thanks for watching.